In this video, I will show you how you can change the time on any iPad. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on General. Under the General Settings, just scroll down and tap on Date and Time. If Set Automatically is enabled, just turn it off. Now from here, just tap on the time and you will be able to set the time manually just like that. And also if you want to change the date, you can change the date manually from here. But what I recommend is just enable Set Automatically. And after you enable this toggle, your iPad will automatically set the correct date and time according to your region. And also if you want to show the time in the 24-hour format, just enable this toggle. Otherwise you can disable this toggle and you will enable the AM and PM format. And this is how you can change the time on any iPad. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.